Involving lakhs of school children and teachers across 33 districts of Assam, initiatives of National Green Corps carried out by Assam Science, Technology and Environment Council has been instrumental in creating eco-consciousness in the hearts of people. Hailakandi district in the Barak Valley of Assam has 296 eco-clubs and 5,926 students as eco-warriors to carry out their objectives.
We, the District Nodal Agency Assam Science Society Hailakandi branch, under the direction and guidelines of Assam Science, Technology and Environmental Council, that is the State Nodal Agency, we are working and monitoring the progress of the different activities of Eco Club all over the district. Mainly the activities like Popular Talk, Plantation Program, Awareness Drive, Cleanly Drive, different school, particularly what they are working and what are their objective of this Eco Club. So we request all the institutions to maintain the guidelines of Assam Science, Technology and Environment Council.
Situated amidst the greenery of Hailakandi town, it is the Global Public Central School with its own Eco Club carrying out some of the most innovative and unique tasks in their race to save the planet. The neat and clean premise of the school is a plastic-free zone. Every precious academic day is started with a sacred oath to save the planet from the mistakes made by the human race in its desire to strive and thrive in modernity.
School, attention.
We take oath to keep our environment clean. We take oath to plant more trees. We take oath to protect our environment. We take oath not to use polythenes or any type of plastic materials.
One of the most unique and innovative projects adopted by the School Eco Club and proposed by renowned science communicator Dr. Sandipan Dhar is the birthday garden in the school, started in 2011. Students in this school are bound to plant a sapling in this special garden on their birthdays and adopt and raise their own plant till they leave the school.
The purpose of this birthday garden was that the children from the childhood, in their birthday, they will plant the trees and they will adopt it, so that we plant trees on the Environment Day, on the Earth Day and different days. But generally what happens, after few days it becomes a food for the goats and cows. But when you yourself plant a tree to commemorate your special days, that you take care of.
In this birthday garden, we normally ask the students to bring the plants which are normally medicinal plants like basils, neem, turmeric, aloe vera. Like these plants we normally ask the students to bring on their birthdays, as because these are the medicinal plants which can help us in many ways. So these are all flowering plants over there. You can see there's a decorative plant and there is a flowering plant. There's hibiscus plants over there. Then we have a guava plant over that side. Over there, there's a guava plant.
National Green Crops is an activity among the school children as well as among the college students to protect our environment and to save our Mother Earth from different pollutions and other areas. Assam Science, Technology and Environment Council is doing a lot for us. So over here in this Global Public Central School, we are also trying to protect our environment, taking up different activities.
Special efforts on separate management of biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes are emphasized in the activities of the school. To provide a safe haven for our winged friends, members of the Eco Club hang up materials in various places which are used by the birds for building their nests. Countless such nests can be spotted in different parts, made up of the materials provided by these eco warriors of the school. Eco Club in Harakishore High School on the other side of the town is popular for its plant diversity center maintained and nurtured by the eco warriors of the school. In their race to save the planet, routine plantation of trees in occasions like World Environment Day, National Science Day, Earth Day and World Soil Day is carried out in the school.
Through Eco Club, we have given them, we made aware of them not to use plastic, always to avoid plastic, as plastic pollutes the total environment.
Another exceptional institution in this regard is the Royal Global School Eco Club, which regularly organizes workshops and talks for the students with eminent educationists, environmentalists and science communicators as their resource persons.
Do you know what happened on the 2nd of December? Science Men's observation, the first thing in science. So what is there? Bhopal tragedy day.
These young minds are made aware on the mishaps and mistakes that led to catastrophic consequences towards the environment. These young hands put nest-making materials at different places in the school, and the birds in turn use these materials to make their nests in the nearby areas. Assam is home to hundreds and thousands of medicinal plants. Exploring this huge potential and imbibing a sense of pride and belongingness among the students, and to create awareness about the same, a number of plantation drives are carried out within the school campus. A routine cleanliness drive is carried out by the school's Eco Club members to keep the school completely free from single-use plastic.
We can see in the entire compound, after entering from the gate, it is written there's a plastic free zone, means the single-use plastics. We don't allow anyone to bring chips packet or the plastic carry bags and other things, because those are not biodegradable. So that is also one of the main agenda of the NGC to aware the children.
On the occasion of World Environment Day 2020, I like to call the name of Siddhika Anil Laskar.
Students are encouraged in their efforts by rewarding them annually for their outstanding work on ecological conservation.
Recently, we had taken up a rally on the environment, protection of environment, on the last December. So over there also the rally to aware the peoples of the Hailakandi district about how to protect the environment and what are the pollutions those that are taking places in and around our locality.
Regular rallies through the town organized by the Eco Club serves as a regular reminder of the probable threat looming ahead in our future and our responsibility to act wisely. The huge responsibility carried on their shoulders by these little eco-warriors has started to create ripples of change in the society. This consciousness has been infused into each and every layer of the civil society in the district, holding high the vision and mission of National Green Code in its true sense.
Being a guardian and as well as a teacher of the locality, I greatly emphasize on the importance of environment for everyone in this locality as well as globally. So I appreciate the organizers for this grand motive and the universal motive for the betterment of nature.